UNICARE Home Health Care. Hi everyone, this is Alma from UNICARE Home Health Care. Summer is gone and fall is here, so we all know what that means. Cold and flu season is on its way, meaning a lot of sore throats. So why not make some homemade cough drops? It's quick and easy. All you'll need is 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Mix that together, bring it to a broil for 15 minutes or until it caramelizes or reaches a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius. Now what you'll do is you'll pour that on parchment paper or in one of those candy molds. Leave it cool, sprinkle with icing sugar, and store in a cool place. It's quick and simple. I've added a video tutorial for your review. Now I hope you enjoy. Until next time.